animals have such expressive faces and especially eyebrows, we humans feel intuitively.
Where are my chips, Luke?
Hmm?
Where are the chips?
Whereas cats, who evolved to hunt alone, can barely even move
I gave you
their
the
face
chips.
with their eyes. We have to learn to read them. But people, it's not their fault. Cats are lovely and lovable. They just didn't evolve proper eyebrows. Did you, sweetie?
Arley, what sound does a dog make? Arley boy, what sound does a... Good boy. What sound does a cat make?
Come up and help us move some stuff around with the kids. I'm getting my hands dirty. And help bring the bushfire affected community.
Really? What sound does a cat make? Good boy. Take the fingers out. Take those fingers out. What sound does an elephant make? Good boy. Now, a big one. What sound does a kookaburra make? What sound does a pig make? What sound does a fish make? Good boy. Now, what else have we got in our agenda? What sound does... Huh? What sound does a dog make? Good boy. What sound does a monkey make? What sound does a chimpanzee make? Good boy. Oh, you're too funny. What sound does Arley make? What's your name? How old are you? Good boy.
Tuck your head. And touch your ears.
Good boy.
Blink your eyes.
Good boy. Where's your tongue?
Where are your toes? With your fingers. Fingers!
Fingers. Show me your fingers.
Don't put them in your mouth. Take those fingers out. Where are your hands? Where are your fingers? Where's your hair? And where's your belly button? Belly button. Where's the belly button? Good boy.
Good boy.
Where's your elbow? Yeah.
Good
very
boy.
Good. Where are your knees? No, that's your toe. Oh, yeah.
Good boy.
I don't know when to do.
I don't know where he learned that. Where's Mummy? Point to Mummy. Point to Mummy. Doesn't know that one still. Come down. Whoa, careful. Okay, ready?
Can you say mommy?
He's a whirling, twirling,
Spinning round and round.
massive
Faster,
energy.
faster.
Twist and twirl and whirlwind.
Take those fingers out.
Whoa!
Take the fingers out. What about an airplane? Airplane, airplane. Arms out. The airplane. Airplane, airplane. How does that song go again? But Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. And down came the rain and watched the spider run.
Whoa! Jeez. Oh.
Look both ways when you cross the street. Look both ways when you cross
Arley,
the
say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Look. Look both ways when you cross the street. Look both ways when you cross the street. Whirling and twirling. Spinning faster and faster. Faster and faster. Where are you going? Watch where you're going. Watch where you're going.
Jesus.